Hi! If you're here to see a detailed tutorial video on how to create this look, yes, this look, then stay tuned.
I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm just going to hop right into this video because I want it to be a short and entertaining video. This video is also beginner friendly and it's a very clean and effective way to make a hand sewn wig. So as you can see, I just braided my closure, I've done my measurement, I've sewn everything, but not to worry, I'm going to tell you everything I did in details. And this is my wig cap. This is what I'll be working with. It's very breathable and strong. Oh, my name is Victoria and Zelibe. I forgot to mention. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button below. So this is how I measure the size of my head just for my band. Alright, so this is how I measure the length. I'm doing it on the mannequin because I have my braids on. You don't honestly have to do this. I'm just doing this because, I'm used to making wigs because I sell wigs. So yes, patronize me. And this is what you just do. Just tack the excess because you don't want that wig loose. So as you can see, I tacked the excess all around. And I want it tight on the mannequin cap because that's the size of my head. So after that, you measure 1 inch after the other, and you simply use marker to draw a line. I'm going to show you how. So I just use my marker like this to make line by 1 inch, and later on I join it together. And by my closure, I like to make lines to just beside the closure because I want this wig looking as premium as it can be. Okay. So that's what you can do, honestly. So this is another accessory I'll advise you to use: elastic band. This one is adjustable, and this is the part you sew to the wig. When you add it to your wig, it helps the person wearing the wig to be able to adjust the wig, so when it's tight, the person can either loosen it or tighten it. Watch me make this wig. And as you can see, I am sewing on each line, so that's how you can easily make your hand sewn wig. So just sew it on each line. It makes it easier for you. This is where I am at now. I have how many more to go, and honestly, I have so many more wigs to make. This is a good hair, guys. Very good hair. Like I said, I'm making 3 wigs, one for myself and the other 2 for my mat. Let's get this going. It makes it faster when you do it like this. Alright guys, so this is where we are. As you can see, I just have one more line to put around here, but I just wanted to show you guys where we are right now. It's always very tricky around here. As you can see, I've sewn this part round. So for this one, because I already pinned this, it's always nice to pin so you can see what you're doing and your work looks very neat. But yeah, let me show you that. So I normally leave just 2 bits for here for my 2x6 closures, and as you can see, this is just how what it looks like. Let me remove this pin so you can see it. So just like I pinned this one line here, I like to do the same to see exactly where I need to sew, which in this case it is here, and then pin the final parts here. And as you can see, this when I let the hair go, you're going to see it looks perfect. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this part. Alright guys, we are done making this wig. Next, I'm going to loose this, but before I do that, I like to use hot comb to relax this one's hair. So let's do that. It's natural hair. I know you guys are feeling this hair as much as I am feeling this hair. I really applaud myself. I haven't even straightened or used flat iron yet. This is just heat protector and the hot comb, honestly, and it looks like this. What? So this is what the inside of the hair looks like. It looks very neat, as you can see. This is my accessory right there, sitting pretty. So this is how you can make your wig to sell, for personal use or anything. Do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel, like this video, give me a thumbs up, and share, guys. Use this video to make a whole lot of money, guys. And this is the hair after I flat iron. What a beautiful hair. Patronize me, guys. Authentic.com. This is me with my hair. Enjoy.